So I just got back from the optometrist, and I don't know if you can see it because I can't see if I'm focused in here, but my eyes are very dilated right now. So that's fine. We're just gonna deal with that handicap at the moment. But guess what I got? We got colourpop. This is all the Animal Crossing stuff. There's 2 whole sets in here. That's why the box is so big. But we're gonna open this up and we're gonna try to do our makeup. I took off my eye makeup just for this, so let's see what we can do. Yep. I'm so awkward. I'm so sorry. Okay, coming live to you in front of my closet. Can you see my eyeballs now? You see how dilated they are? This is gonna be chef's kiss. This is gonna be wonderful. Technically, we've got 2 things to review here. colourpop Animal Crossing makeup collection and this foundation that I got a while ago. I got it like a month and a half ago, 2 months ago. Oopsie, my bad. It's the Bare Minerals Original Liquid Makeup. Did they change the formula? I think they did because now it's like cruelty free and vegan. I think this is my color. This is what it looks like. That looks to be my color, I think. What I'm most excited about is this. Oh God. I was working when I ordered this. Jesus, good Lord, Jesus, take the wheel. I got the full set because why not, you know? Wow, they literally just threw everything in the box. We got stickies, okay? But like everything's just like thrown in here. Whatever, it's fine. As long as nothing's broken. Some of this is not mine. Half of this is my friend Dez's because I got hers. Des, I hope you don't mind me opening yours because I just want to make sure nothing's broken. Okay, so this is really cute. This is the wildflower. So we're gonna give my sister this one, but I'll show you what it looks like. We're just gonna dive in here on one of her colors. I'm gonna give her this that I just opened, so I'm not gonna swatch it. That is what it looks like. I really like so badly want to swatch it, but I'm not gonna touch it because it's not mine to touch. The packaging is so, like, look at the inside of the box. Can you see that? And then the outside, like, you've got all the cutesy animals, right? Let me see if I can name them. I see Stitches. I think that's Lily. Is that Hamlet? No, why would you put Hamlet? Okay. Ooh, it's soft. The next one is the Cosmo one. This one's probably pink. The little girl in me is so excited. I don't think you guys understand. Oh, that's a pretty color. Okay, we're gonna swatch this because this is mine. Do you see how pretty that is? You can't see it. Can you see it? Maybe you can. I really don't think you guys understand how precious this game is to me. That sounds weird. It's a video game, but I'm being serious here, right? This was my first video game ever. This is like the first video game I ever got on the GameCube with my own money. I remember going to GameStop with my dad, looking through the used game section and finding Animal Crossing for the GameCube. And I was like, this is a cute little game. What's this? And I read the back, obviously, because that's what you do when you go buy a game, right? And I was like, oh, how cute. A little simulator game. And so I bought it. And it was obviously a used game, so it was someone else's town on top of that. And I just remember playing it and my dad walking in like, you having fun? I was like, yeah, but I can't quite figure out what to do and how to do things. And I was asking him what to do as if he had known what I was supposed to do. Good times. I used to think because they used to have big dirt patches in the original Animal Crossing game that you had to dig that up to find fossils, when in reality it was just as easy as a little X. Oh, okay, so you get 2 not 2. Yes, you get 2, right? Oh no, you get 3. Am I stupid? Yeah, I'm stupid. You get 3 lips, right? It smells like a cherry. Oh my god, it smells like a candy. Does the other one smell? I'm sorry, Jenny. Getting my nose all up in this. It smells like an apple. Girl, the hell? They smell? Now I have to smell the orange one. I'm disappointed that one doesn't really smell. Like there's a faint scent of peach to it. So we got 2 nudie colors for coconut juice and imparable. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, and like the first Animal Crossing game, you had to like connect your Game Boy Advance to your GameCube so that you can visit the island. This is a fun game. Such a fun game. If you've never played Animal Crossing, I mean, who hasn't? But like, if you never have ever played Animal Crossing, I suggest it. It's a fun, relaxing game. These are the eyeshadow palettes. You've got Tom Nook, you've got Isabelle, you've got Blathers and Celeste, and then Sable and Maple. Oh, and Label. I got it. And they're purple. Oh my god, what was I expecting? The packaging is purple, Amanda. We love purple here, okay? This is probably gonna be my favorite one. But look at, oh my god. Tom Nook and the Nook little lens. Timmy and Tommy. So they're like, okay, and then this is Isabelle's, which is a bunch of pinks. What a hoot. Ooh, this one's gonna be my favorite. I like this one because we got the last two things. These are the Billionaire. What is this? Glitterly Obsessed. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, that is straight up just glitter. That's pretty cool. Okay, okay. And then the last one is just, I think this is just a single eyeshadow. It is a Balloon Pop. It is a Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter. Oh, it's another glitter. Okay. Look at the cute little packaging. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, now we're just gonna go ham on some makeup right now. I just realized I didn't bring a concealer, but we're gonna see how well this conceals. But first, let me put a primer on. Okay, so it's been a while since I've applied any makeup. Yeah, I'm ugly, so let's cover that up. I didn't really know how to apply this, so I grabbed a sponge. She's very thick. Not gonna lie, with the limited visibility that I have right now, this is actually doing a decent job at covering my face. I have problem skin. It's not the best, you know, but it's not the worst, but it's still just a problem most of the time. And I think this is doing a pretty decent job. I'm trying to think of which eyeshadow palette I should use, and I think I'm gonna go with It's a Hoot, the more neutral colored ones. I can't tell if this has a smell or if the foundation has a smell or if it's the freaking sponge itself. Yeah, I think I did a pretty decent job. It doesn't feel like there's anything on my skin, which is nice. I like it when you can't feel anything on your skin. I get this like a 6 out of 10. It's nice. The color matched decently well, I hope. Yeah, I think it's pretty decent. I'm absolutely terrible at reviews. I'm so sorry. If you even cared at all to know anything about that foundation, now you know. Now we're just going to start with the eyeballs. We're definitely going to try something. There's literally no base color. Alrighty then. We're going to use all 4 to the best of my ability. Okay, ready to see my makeup skills in action? I have none. They're very limited makeup skills. And with my limited visibility, this is just gonna be a wonder ride. Wonder ride? What the hell is that, Amanda? I can see everything. That's my favorite. Moving on to the crease color. I'm not feeling too good about this. Watch this be the last time I ever use this eyeshadows. I think we got somewhere. Just staring at my pupils. They're like extra large. At this point, we're just guessing about what we're doing here, right? Like, I don't really know how to do makeup. Did I say I was good at it? Not at all. Am I good at it? Not at all. Not sure what we're going for here, but we're going for it, you know what I mean? Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. That's like trying to tell me how to live. I just look really washed out. No, like, ooh, that looks scary. Now we're just gonna pack the glitter on there because why not, you know what I mean? I was at first just gonna buy like 1-2 things. Somehow I ended up with all of this, which I'm okay with. I feel like I probably should have put this on after I put my eyeliner on, but it's fine. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. Okay, this is the fun part. I love putting eyeliner on. We're back with eyeliner. I did my best with the with what I could because I can't see. Moving on. We're gonna use Imparable. It feels really smooth on my lips. I like the way that feels. It's nice and smooth. Right where I get my Asian glow, you know? That's the best that we're gonna do. I love the glitter. That's it. To be honest with you, I was touching my face and I don't see too much rub off when I was holding my face while trying to put my eyeliner on. So as far as like kind of covering up imperfections, I think it did a pretty decent job. Right? We're getting real close here. My pores are really non-existent. I see my uneven skin and I just hate it. But from a distance, we looking good. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to catch my stream, please. I'm having a lot of fun doing Twitch streams. Thanks for watching, everybody. This boring review. I love this thing. I love these things. Absolutely love them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have the hiccups and I'm gonna go. I hope you guys are having a wonderful life and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.